Hello. Today we honor Saint Monica. Saint Monica was, of course, the mother of the great Saint Augustine. Monica was a woman who knew many hardships in her life. As a young woman, she was married off to a Roman pagan who had a very violent temper. And her mother-in-law also was a very hot-headed woman. And so Monica had to endure a lot of abuse from both her husband and her mother-in-law. But she persevered in prayer. She prayed for them that they might be converted to Christianity. Eventually, they did. 1 year before her husband Patricius died, he was converted to Christianity. I mentioned that Monica is the mother of Augustine. Augustine was another difficult person in her life. He lived a rather wild, adventurous, if you will, young life. She persevered in prayer for him. There's even a story that one time when he took a job to teach in Rome, that he skipped town. He told her that he was going to meet a friend, and he got on a ship and left and went to Rome, not telling her that he was leaving. And still she persevered, and eventually Augustine himself was converted to Christianity. So what we see here in Monica is someone of great perseverance, someone whose life is a testament to the power of prayer. And so as we reflect on the life of Saint Monica today, we can hope and pray for perseverance in faith through the hardships in our lives, and we can see in her and attempt to model her life devoted to prayer.